Today is a special day.
Yes, it is.
Someone special was born on this day 152 years ago.
You know who, right?
Yeah, who doesn't?
It's Gandhiji.
Gandhiji's birthday is known as Gandhi Jayanti.
We all want to know more about Gandhiji, no?
We would all want to know. It's weird how a person who passed away a long time ago still has his birthday celebrated. What does that indicate? He's someone just that special. Let's move on to answer why.
Let's start from the very beginning of his life. We all do know he was a very brave freedom fighter. But did you know his personal background? Let's see.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born to Putalibai and Karamchand Gandhi on 2nd October in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. Mohan grew up as a shy student who had no interest in sports. Mohandas Gandhi's marriage was planned around when he was 13 and he was married to Kasturba, who was 14. Then Mohandas and Kasturba had 4 children and they were all boys. The kids were Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devadas.
After completing his initial education and made his way to London to study law, he wanted to be a barrister, which was also what his parents wanted him to be.
He studied law in the University College of London in 1888, after which he returned back to India, making attempts to start his own law practice. When things didn't go very well, he decided to take a job with a law firm which brought him to South Africa.
In that period, South Africa was going through a lot of discrimination along the lines of race and color. As being from India, he had a dark colored skin, and with that, he also had to go through it with various incidents continuously taking place, like being forced to give up seat on a bus, being refused a room in the hotels, and being ordered to remove his turban by a court magistrate. All of these moments inspired him to fight for equality and develop political ideas.
In 1914, Gandhiji left South Africa for India after 21 years of protest against abuses of Indian rights. Gandhiji took on Indian British colonial rules upon his return, organizing passive resistance campaigns and shaping the INC into an effective grassroots party based on the philosophy of Satyagraha or unconditional nonviolence. His actions earned him the title Mahatma or Great Sir.
On realizing how the population of his country was suffering under the British, he decided to lead a movement with the aim to have an independent nation, and his key strategy was non-violence, as he believed that violence was never a solution to any problem.
He began undertaking numerous campaigns revolving around the idea of civil disobedience, which meant to refuse any orders given by the British Empire without resorting to any violence. The streets soon filled with the people boycotting their works and refusing to cooperate with the British. He also conducted the Dandi March when the British imposed a heavy tax on salt and finally made the country independent.
Wait a minute.
What is it?
We, a while ago, said Gandhiji was a shy person. How can even a person who cannot even speak 2 sentences together on a public platform lead his nation to independence?
Yeah, that's something worth thinking of, right?
Let me say, he was a person who has prepared and rehearsed a whole speech multiple times, but forgetting all at once, seeing the audience, he came this space.
And the secret behind this is?
The obvious answer behind is that this miraculous scheme feels urgency to bring its change in it.
Many a times we seen that necessity is the mother of invention.
Desperate times call for desperate measures. That happened with Gandhi.
Which proves that he hasn't just taught us to love our country, but to also face the problems that hold us back from achieving our dreams.
How did Gandhi die?
After India was split into India and Pakistan, many people began to dislike Gandhi's policies, and Nathuram Godse was one among them. As a result, he fired 3 bullets at Gandhi on 30th January 1948 around 5:17 p.m. and assassinated him.
Even if he isn't alive today, he still lives
In every Indian citizen.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
I am Sushmi Bai, June of Jansi. Do you know Chachaji?
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा कर लिया हमने
कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने वादा कर लिया हमने
हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता